Let's have a look. Just trying to plonk that on something.
Lovely little perch, that's it's the first one I've had out today. Getting a load of little bites, but as well, apart from this one, ain't really looked into nothing. It's absolutely teeming with bait fish around here, so this is a sign of good things to come. You know there's some half decent ones in there, and that as a first fish ain't a bad start. So slip them back and keep on plodding away. So I reckon there's some good ones to come out today. So fingers crossed.
So we're on the morning of our last day in the broad. I found it fairly tough. We had a couple of pikes and that. Nothing really to write home about, but we just crept up on a boatyard. And I was fishing a jig. I've opted to go with a drop shot. We've started to find a couple. It's early in the morning, so we'll see how we get on. Hopefully we might be able to rustle a little something up, but if the bites keep coming, we're going to keep filming. So yeah, mate, happy with that. That's my first fish of the day. Had a nice one yesterday of about a pound and a bit. We'll see how we press on.
Nice one, brother. What was that on, Dave Hyde?
That was on my urban prey hog on the drop shot, bro.
Doing the business, mate, aren't they?
Fucking went for me. There's me. Oh, it's a bit of a bully, this one.
Yeah. Got his neck in the knock.
Gonna go with me again. Yeah, I think he likes me old sausage fingers.
There's a seal down at Woolmac.
There was. I see it. Where did I see it? I didn't actually see it in person, but I see it on Monday.
I had a clear out and oh look.
On the Facebook. Well, there's the best two pick of the bunch. We had through a couple of half decent ones back before we got the net out, really, to be honest. But that's the first little swim, so we're gonna put these back because I don't even think we've explored half the boatyard yet. So
Nah.
yeah, not a bad little couple of hours that though, Bert, is it?
It's alright, that Burt.
Happy days, mate.
On the drop shot and jigs, light jigs.
All up to light gear.
We're going to press on, have a little scout around the rest of the boatyard, see what we bump into, really.
Excellent bit of sport.
Sportage. Let's do it. Right, that's it then. We're going to go and explore a little bit more of this old boatyard. Have a little winkle around, see if I can snare anything. There's an old boy fishing over there on the baits. He said he pulled out a 3-pounder the other day, so they are here. So we've just got to be lucky enough to snare one. So let's go and
do it, mate.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Nolly Wolly's still hauling monsters.
geese.
Bum. Put it in my bum.
Stunning little fish though, aren't they? You can't beat this for sport, can you?
Oh, hell yeah. What's it take there, Noel? What is that?
Little savage here, shiny bang.
Shiny bangers.
Yeah.
Biddy butt banger butt. Biddy butt. She pops. Nice one, Nolly cat. Biddy butt. Sit cast. Right, this is how we're doing things out here. We've got I'm on a drop shot, so I'm just letting it sink, just giving it a tiny little twitch and tiny little reel as I go and letting it stop for a bit. Often I'm getting the bites on the stop. And that's how they've been coming. I've been chopping and changing lures. The brighter colours for me seem to be working. This one's a little bit dull on top and then a bit brighter under the bottom. Here we go. And that's how we're getting them, look. That one come on the pools. Ain't a terrible little perch, but and that's the lure they've been taking. Yeah man, great spot. All around these boats they're riding out. See if we can try and get a bit of a better one though, really. Skiddy biddy bop bop, sir. Here he comes, look. Oh, that's why you're over here, is it? Great skills. Great skills. Always rely on Noel for a funny, innit? You got one?
Yeah.
Better one? You might need the net. You talking nets, yeah? You talking nets, yeah? Are we talking nets? Oh my god, he's caught a bream.
I better look the bream.
Excellent.
Oh,
Always trust the nolly cat. What a catch, guys.
Couldn't make it up, could ya?
Fantastic. At least that lure works, eh?
Oh, mate, yeah. I thought I was into a winner there, while that's fighting.
Chicken spinner, mate. I've got to get a picture of that.
Got straight through the back.
100%. Best capture of the day, geese.
Silly little nollers.
Silly little Willie.
Jay? Capture?
That's what I reckon. That's what I reckon all them scales are.
100%.
Show me the capture, geese. What'd you get it on?
Well, I thought I'd scale up using the old Mollick swimming dragonfly. I didn't expect this to come out of the water though.
Snotty blader.
A dirty little breed.
Oh, let me get a picture quickly for you.
What's happening, J-Mo? Every single one.
Still alive.
Oh, he's bagging up on them, mate.
Still alive though, look.
Look at that little blader. It's been had up by the otter. Scales absolutely everywhere in all these little walkways. And yeah, he's obviously gone and got one. Stuck him on there, he's gone to get another one, the greedy little bugger. Poor little sod. Oh well.
So we've been trying all weekend to catch pike. Old mate is fishing a bloody maggot and he's hooked himself a pike.
It ain't a bad looking fish to be fair either.
Ah, that's a good one. You caught it on a little spinner.
You got that net behind you there.
I've got another net behind me. Let me put this rod down. I'll get it for you. Quickly net this young man's fish.
I ain't used to all these fucking big fish like this.
Go on, mate. That's a nice pike. That. It's a good fish. Keep it coming. Oh, keep it coming. There she's in.
Well done.
Who's in that man? Who's in that man?
Yeah, these spinners come out in the net and all that.
Oh, it's off, isn't it, the lure?
Yeah. Oh, lovely, Josh.
So what have I got to do?
Got to put your hand under his chin.
Put your right hand under that where my fingers are.
Where his fingers are, you want to go the other side of the gill there.
Go on, you got her?
Yeah.
Well done, my old mate.
I'll
Lovely
get it.
capture on a
I'll
little
get out of the
spinner.
way,
Where do you want to say a little picture? Duck! It's the mighty ducks! No, buddy. Right, that's the end of our Norfolk Broads little weekend. Like I said, we weren't that great on the pike, to be honest. We had a couple, nothing to write home about. We didn't really bother with the cameras. And then yesterday evening we dropped on a little boat yard and we had a little go for the perch, and they were there in numbers. Bait fish was everywhere. So that was the approach this morning. We got up, thought we'd make a little go of it down there. I was fishing drop shot and I was fishing light jigs. And they kept coming. It was good sport down there, to be fair with you. We got a couple of better ones, nothing really massive, but they are there, so that's why we persisted all day. So that sort of swung the trip round really. So yeah, that being that, we're on our way back to the plot now to go and drop the boats off and get home to see the family. Noel's got to get home to see his fella. And
I can't hear a word you're saying, geezer.
that's all for the better. Right, catch you later.